Good morning, everyone. I'm Jim from Lubecore, Minnesota. One of the things we want to show you today is a 20-kilogram automatic grease pump. And the reason we're using such a big pump on this machine is because it's huge, and we just want to give you a little bit of the scope of what we're working on today. So as you can see here, Nathan, you can zoom in here. This is a very big machine. You can see some of the things that we're doing to protect the grease lines going into the bucket area. We're using super steel tube, which is a heavy wall tube designed to take impact and make sure that we're getting grease delivered to the key points. One of the things we advocated to them was using a larger grease pump so they save time on filling it. So we'll just take you up there and show you real quick what it looks like and how it works. So what Nathan's got here is we've got two distribution manifold systems. One is feeding the rear of the machine, one feeds over the top and connects to the boomstick union and then the H-link. And this is Lubecore's 20-kilogram pump. So for you guys that are familiar with Lubecore's pump already, it has the same features. It's got a stay clear reservoir, easy to see how full the grease is. It's got a pressure plate with a top spring that constantly pushes down on the grease. We are pumping EP2 grease, lithium based, which is the recommended type of grease for a machine like this. It's a heavier grease, provides better protection. We're using an electric drive motor, two lines that are feeding the distribution of the system. The controls for this pump are going to reside in the cab so the operator can see every time that it kicks on. If you can also see, we did integrate pressure gauges into the face of the pump, so for troubleshooting to confirm that greasing is happening, it's easy for an operator or mechanic to test the cycle and make sure that he sees fresh grease throughout the system. Again, I'm Jim from Lubecore, Minnesota. If you have challenges with big equipment like this and are looking for a way to get more production, less fill time, and make your grease last longer, this is a 20-kilogram pump. 50 tubes of grease are contained in this reservoir. Gives you a lot of operating time. Thanks, everyone.